Abajwekyerwa b'amahanga ningash ambassadors abatayira Kisoro babantu bakomoko mahanga munana gamwe hariyago agakwegitiro mu kagwa European Union. Omwanya gwa Nyakabande obwahati no gutura omwe mpunji ziri kuhikarwenda kandi gwijwire.
Some of the challenges were put to them, including expansion of the facilities there to be able to host more people. Like you rightly mentioned, if we have the tempo of the influx increasing, we may have to host more people at a time. So one of the requests that was made to the delegation was to help to improve on the facilities there and expand those facilities so that we'll be able to host more and more refugees if we have bigger influx coming in.
Omwanya ogu gukakingwa government banyuma y'empunjo kugukiza obwingi kandi abagutayira bajangwa ki government yakozere kikaba kishikire.
As you can well appreciate, look at how it is organized now. At that time we were spending about $500,000 every month just to keep people at the center in conditions that were not very good.
We of course sometimes get the sudden increase of numbers due to the unexpected influxes, but I think in terms of space, like you have raised, we've been able to manage and we've been able to adjust. First of all, the current space that we have is adequate, but in the event that the numbers surpass the current space available, we always liaise with the district authorities to give an extension.
Ahabwentaro n'obutabanko mahanga gatara gamwe na gamwe omuri Africa kiretire empunji zayeyongera omu Uganda.
And of course, like I said earlier on, the humanitarian response funding comes mostly through the donors. So if we do not have, it comes through the donors to the partners directly. So if partners do not have enough resources, of course it affects the capacity in terms of the manpower that is able to manage the people we serve here, and basically the funding is one of the biggest challenges.
Abana nababari binji nebetaga byetago bije oje ngutunye sente zitumara tukabentu increasing services kugira ngo twabahereza at least ibyo kushomesa biruko bine byo kujwara ibyo kurya mwene mbabasa kugira obwetago bwingi.
Jean Sadek omujwekyerwa wa European Union mu Uganda wabaye bembire kutayayoku yagira ngo okutayayira omwanya ogu nkiza kuyambaho European Union okutera plan ya Uganda okureba ko batereze mbera y'empunji ziri kuturamu. Uganda netuze empunji ziri kwika miliyoni 16 emitwari 18 nizirgo mu Democratic Republic of Congo, Somalia, South Sudan hamwe na gandi mahanga. Gasha kwa Kate atuzarirwe.